Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the upper rack, tub wheel, and mount for this Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to models made by Maytag, KitchenAid, and Kenmore. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The upper rack, tub wheel, and mount attaches to the inside of the dishwasher's tub and supports the upper dish rack rail as it rolls in and out. Over time, the wheel or mount can crack or break from the weight and repeated movement of the upper rack. If the tub wheel or mount fails, you may notice the upper rack sitting unevenly, wobbling, or becoming difficult to pull in or out. Each mount is sold individually, and the wheels on the mount are not sold separately, so if one wheel is damaged or missing, the entire wheel and mount assembly will need to be replaced. Replacing a broken tub wheel and mount restores smooth upper rack movement and keeps it properly supported. On this model, all four upper rack, tub wheel, and mount assemblies use the same part. These instructions will apply to the front or rear mount on either the left or right side of the dishwasher. This part is sold individually, so be sure to order the quantity that you need. If you need to purchase a replacement upper rack, tub wheel, and mount for your dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair: a 5/16 nut driver or socket. This video features pulling out the dishwasher, so please turn off the water supply and disconnect your appliance from its power source before beginning. Before you begin, make sure you understand how your dishwasher is connected to power, the drain, and the water line. If you need help with this step, watch our dishwasher removal video regarding the process of safely pulling your appliance out from underneath the countertop. Before pulling the dishwasher out, first open the door and remove the upper rack. On this model, pull the rack out and open the two stop clips by rotating them towards the outside of the appliance. Once they are both open, slide the upper rack out and place it upside down to prevent damaging the spray arm. Next, pull the slide rail all the way forward. At the end of the rail, you'll see a plastic stop clip that keeps the rail from sliding off the tub wheels. To remove the rear stop clip, push the release tab towards the rear of the appliance while pushing the clip up to slide it out. Here's a closer look at the stop clip with the rail already removed from the dishwasher. You may find that a small flathead screwdriver makes releasing the clip easier. With the rear stop clip removed, slide the rail out and set it aside. Carefully pull on the door of the dishwasher until you can access the frame of the tub and pull the appliance from the frame. Pull out the dishwasher until you can see the fasteners on the upper rack, tub wheel, and mount to be replaced. The upper rack, tub wheel, and mount is held in by two 5/16 fasteners from the outside of the tub of the dishwasher. Using a nut driver or socket, remove both while holding the mount from inside the machine. Once the screws are removed, the upper rack, tub wheel, and mount can be pulled from the dishwasher and discarded. When shopping for a replacement upper rack, tub wheel, and mount, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We'll include a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. To install the upper rack, tub wheel, and mount, first clean the surface of the tub where the old mount was located. Hold the upper rack, tub wheel, and mount in place and start the fasteners by hand. Tighten the fasteners, but be sure not to over-tighten as you can damage the new mounts or the dishwasher. Slide the rail back into place and test to be sure that the rail moves smoothly between the two mounts. Once the rail moves smoothly, install the rear stop clips. Slide the pin of the clip through the two mounting holes in the rail. Be sure that the tab locks into place and the clip is secure. Once you are sure the new tub wheels and mount are in good working order, reinstall the dishwasher. Now reinstall the rack by sliding the dish rack wheels into the rails. Close the front stop clips and test the rack by sliding the rack all the way in and all the way out. Your rack should now be secured. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.